Hey YouTube, it's Crystal Knight here. I got a couple packs of Lightning Overdrive at my local Walmart today. These weren't supposed to come out until June 4th, I do believe. So it's weird that they had them a week early. I'm currently recording this on the 29th. Cannot get this open. So I don't know if somebody messed up or something, but these definitely should not have been... They should not have been out yet, but here they are. If someone can explain that to me, I'd love to hear it. Right. I probably should have taken them out of these boxes first. Might have to pause the video and get a knife to do it. I got about 10 packs of these, so I'm really excited to open them. There are some new Utopia support in here. There's some Black Rose support. Not Black Rose, but... Black Rose? Yeah, Black Rose Dragon, I think. So. And there's a new archetype called... Shoot, I forget what they're called. Some kind of fair thing, which is really cool. I got like 10 packs of these, and it's taking me a while to get them out. I probably should have opened them before the video. I just need to get more efficient at opening these. I hope we get some good stuff out of here. I was just so happy to see them in Walmart so early. I'm not really sure what else is coming out next month, but I know releasing these early it's kind of weird because oh boy, I'm already 2 minutes in. I'm going to be releasing this video on the 29th, hopefully. That way, because it's weird that they're out in Walmart already. So if you're seeing this, you can probably run out and find some if you're fast enough. I don't have to worry about that because I'm in a small town and not everybody is crazy. We had a scalper here a while back, but I don't know what happened to them. They just disappeared. Alright, last one. Gotta get it out of the box. I don't know why they package them like this. It's silly. I guess it's so people are less likely to steal them. Now I got a nice big pile of trash over here I need to throw away. Alright, 10 packs. Let's do this. Yeah. Okay. Open these 3 packs first. Alright. Ooh. Okay, so these don't like to open. They really did package these really strongly. Now, there are 9 cards in each pack, which is more than I believe there were in the last one. So, we've got, at Ignister, Sky Scourge, AI Meet You. Ooh, what's this? That's cool. Bujin, Pegasus. Amazement, that was the new archetype. That's pretty cool. Clock, Arc, and Judgment of the Ice Barrier. I opened up the Ice Barrier structure deck a while back on my channel and gave it a review, but those are pretty cool. Warrock ZW Pegasus, that's a good card. I don't know. Amazement, cool. Oh, that's the field spell. Judgment of the Ice Barrier. Starmine, Boojin, and Sunvine Cross. That's probably for, yeah, that's for the Black Rose. Alright, what do we got here? Another one of these. Judgment of the Branded, Scrap Raptor. That's pretty. Ooh! Sunvine Melius. Okay. Fukubu. It's a nice Sphinx. This is a retrain of another card, actually. That's pretty cool. World Soul. Scream of the Branded. So the Branded seems to be a really important thing. Alright. Hopefully I get some good stuff out of these packs. I'm really happy. AI, Challenge You. Fossil. That's cool. D&D, Supreme King Zero Maxwell. That's cool. Oshawott. Warrock. That's pretty cool. Amazement. Fukubuku. That's cool. Oh, ZS. That's cool. And another Sphinx. Alright. Hoping to get that new, the new Xyz monster for Utopia and, Black Rose Dragon, Judgment Barrier, Scrap Dragon, Amazement, Spriggan's Booty, Starmine, Warrock, Mammoth, and Clock Arc again. If I get any triples or if I get any octuplets, I'll be giving them away. That's another. Starry Night Seal. They used to be called Holy Knights, but they kind of removed that from the name. AI Challenge You. Another Scrap Dragon. Stay Sailor. Judgment of the Ice Barrier. Starmine. Boojin. And another Sunvine Cross. Alright. The corner doesn't want to let go of this one. Here we go. Boo Boo Game. This actually used to be called Booty Game. I guess it went with the other one. Sunvine. Dark Eye. Nightmare. Boojin. Oh! Boojin Torifun. That's another Utopia card. That's really cool. Sphinx, Ward Soul, okay, and Screams of the Branded. Alright, that's actually kind of morbid if you think about it. Screams of the Branded. Jeez. Alright. Another Oshawott. Another one of those. Star Night Seal. AI. Warrock. That's pretty cool. Amazement. Got another one of those, and another Sphinx. I haven't seen anything good yet. This one might not have been worth it. Dark Eye, Warrock, Boojin, Amazement, Ruby Rose Witch. That's a good card. That's pretty cool. Zaxel and Trust. Venery Blade. Okay. Yep. Alright. Last pack. Will we get anything good out of this? Well, the little magnet strip is holding it down there. Usually these ones are better, so I'm not sure. ZW Pegasus Twin. AI Challenge You. Another Fossil. Uh-oh. My thing was dying there. Okay. And another War Rock. Ice Barrier, Starmine, Boojin, and Sunvine Crossbreed. Well, I didn't get any of the good cards, but I got a couple of these. That's pretty cool. I didn't even see any. I saw like 2 amazement cards in here too, so that's actually kind of disappointing. But I got 2 of those. Oh, that's a level 5. I thought it was a level 4. Oh well. Anyway, click like, hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.